Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the space and powering the console. Place the Xbox Series X on a flat surface with about 10 cm of clearance for ventilation, because heat reduces performance. Once done, connect the supplied power cable to a grounded outlet and attach an HDMI to. One cable to a TV port that supports 4K at 120Hz so you get the best visuals. Then insert batteries into the controller. Press the Xbox button to pair, and confirm the console boots to the initial setup screen. You now handle networking and account configuration to get online quickly. First, choose wired Ethernet for the lowest ping, or connect Wi-Fi and test throughput because online games require stable speeds. Make sure NAT type is open for connectivity. Next, sign into your Microsoft account or create one. This links Xbox Live, Game Pass, and cloud saves, so enable two-factor authentication to protect purchases. Once signed in, set region and privacy preferences, then install system updates to ensure firmware and features are current. You finish by installing games and optimizing settings so play starts smoothly. Decide whether to keep games on the internal NVMe for fastest load times or move older titles to an external USB 3. OneDrive. This affects quick resume and performance. Then download Game Pass games or insert discs, enable auto-update to patch titles automatically, and configure display options, 4K, HDR, and variable refresh rate, so visuals match your TV. Finally, test control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.